In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. Open your browser and go to roblox.com. Log into your account. Click on Create, which will redirect you to create.roblox.com. If not, manually type create.roblox.com in your browser. Then click on Dashboard at the top. Select one of your experiences. On the left-hand side, scroll down and expand the Monetization tab. Click on Passes. Click on Create a Pass. Upload an image. It's optional but not recommended. Enter a name. Add a description. It is optional. Click Create Pass. Click on the Game Pass you just created. Go to Sales tab. Enable item for sale. Enter your price like 100 Robux. Click Save Changes. Roblox takes 30% of earnings. So far, for 100 Robux, you will receive 700 Robux. And that's it. Now you know how to create a game pass in Roblox. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.